10 best smartphone gadgets. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Number 1. InCharge 6 Review, the only charging cable you need. Rolling Square, a popular Swiss-based manufacturer, has a huge history in designing and developing some of the coolest smartphone accessories. Some of their previous products include InCharge Universal and Hyphen. This is a 6-in-1 connecting cable that lets you connect between different types of USB devices. To be exact, InCharge 6 supports USB, Type-C, Lightning, and micro USB connections. There are 6 combinations that you can mix and match. InCharge 6 is very lightweight, portable, and easy to use. If you have this in your wallet or backpack, there is no need to carry additional cables at all. InCharge 6 is magnetic, so both ends can be attached together. With InCharge 6, you can connect almost any 2 devices, be it a USB-A, C, micro, Lightning, etc. Here is a detailed list of possible connections. USB to USB-C, USB to micro USB, USB to Lightning for Apple devices, USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to micro USB, USB-C to Lightning for Apple devices. Number 2. Aidinit Snap 2 Stylus for smartphones, presenting one more unique and useful gadget for your smartphones. This cool gadget is specially made for iPhone users. Let us know more about Aidinit 2 Snap Stylus. Snap 2 combines the precision of a fine-point stylus with the Bluetooth camera shutter remote to create the ultimate creative tool for iPhone users. Draw, doodle, and write on your phone with precision. Elevate your storytelling on Snapchat and Instagram. The shutter remote makes it easier than ever to control your iPhone's camera, instantly take photos with the snap of a button, or capture the perfect moment with 3 continuous shots in triple burst mode. Comfortably hold your phone out to take front selfies. Place your phone on a tripod or lean it against a surface to capture group shots at a distance. No need to set a timer, just snap the button to get the best shot. Not just iPhone, the stylus work with Android stylus too. Aidinit Snap 2 is definitely one of the must-have cell phone accessories. Number 3. The Pamu Slide, the coolest and smallest wireless earbuds. Pamu earbuds by Podmate have been phenomenal these days. They are affordable, unique, and feature-packed. Pamu Slide is their 3rd model to be put in the market after Pamu Scroll, both of which have rocked Indiegogo in the past. Pamu wireless earbuds are small, lightweight, and of course durable enough to use them in almost any condition. The Pamu Scroll, priced around $50, is packed with features like sweat-proof, touch control, BT 5.0, and an amazing battery life of 60 hours of playtime. These earbuds have the best bass effect, audio quality, and comfortable fit. The touch lets you change the audio track, increase or decrease the volume, and of course receive calls. There are 2 versions, Pamu Slide and Pamu Slide Plus, and the latter has a wireless phone charging feature. Number 4. The GazePad Pro, wireless charging mouse pad. The GazePad Pro is an intelligently designed wireless charging mouse pad. The designers have carefully catered to the product that fits every requirement of the end users. The 3-coil system enhances the charging area. The dual charging port has been provided so that users can have the convenient placements. This product eliminates the hassles caused by a lack of desk space and comes with some attractive colors. Although I didn't like the color of this mouse pad, the features probably outweigh it. Number 5. The Aukey pubg Y225 wireless power bank with 18-watt power delivery. If you travel a lot and find yourself away from home worrying about how to recharge your phone while you're out, or if you just want to be on the safe side and always have a backup power source for your phone, then Aukey wireless power bank is the ultimate solution to your problems. The sleek, elegant, and future-proof power bank is suitable for all key compatible phone models and is guaranteed to surprise you with its wireless and wired charging modes. The power bank has a capacity of 8,000 milliamps that can charge a smartphone 2 times over on average. So if you're away on a long weekend trip, it'll have enough backup power so you can be sure your phone won't cut out halfway through. Number 6. Razer Kishi gaming controller for smartphone. Razer showcased a range of new products during the CES 2020. One of them that caught my eyes is their new gaming controller for smartphones that looks really beautiful, is lightweight, and works with any smartphone, be it Android or iPhone. Kishi controller has a collapsible design that makes it easy to carry around. It does not involve any batteries and uses juice from your smartphone itself. That's not all. Kishi has a USB-C port that you can charge your smartphone while you are playing games. Number 7. ChargeTech 27,000 mAh 85-watt power bank. ChargeTech has come up with a unique portable multi-purpose power bank which can charge even laptops along with your mobile phones, tablets, earphones, and cameras. The capacity of this power bank is 27,000 milliamps, 85 watts, and 110 volts, and is even approved for airline travel. It consists of Panasonic and Sanyo lithium-ion battery cells and is safe to use. It comes with intelligent fast charging technology, which can deliver 2.5 full amps to your devices for rapid charging. Its weight is about 2.5 pounds, which makes it portable. Number 8. Moft Z SID Stand Laptop Desk Review. Moft, a company that produces foldable stands for smartphones and laptops, is coming up with a new product called Moft Z. It is a multi-purpose stand that can accommodate your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. It's universal. Like their previous products, Moft Z is fully foldable that folds down to the sides of a notebook. It fits in your backpack so you can carry it around easily. Moft Z also has a standing mode option where the height of the stand extends to a point where you can stand and work on your laptop. Even though it looks thin and weak, it can hold your MacBook or any 15-inch laptop easily and securely. Moft Z is equipped with magnetic straps for phone connections. There are 3 color options: orange, blue, and silver. The product is already available online for a super affordable price. If you're looking for a good accessory for your laptop, Moft Z won't disappoint you. Number 9. Jlabs J-Buds, Air Wireless Earbuds. There are quite a lot of options when you're looking for wireless earbuds. And as I say this, it is obviously difficult to choose the one you need. But if you're looking for the best budget earbuds, here it is. J-Buds Air. Costing just under $50, this earbud is a win from every angle. Look, sound quality, hassle-free, auto-on, battery life, and whatnot. J-Buds are cool but look bulky. Number 10. Aftershok's AeroPex Mini Bone Conduction Headphones. Not a lot of bone conduction speakers are good. In fact, most of them are bad. Recently I reviewed bone conduction audio glasses, and it is one of the worst gadgets I came across in 2019. But hold on, we have a good product to showcase. When I was at CES 2020, I happened to visit the Aftershok's booth to check out their newest product. When I was there, I came across their new headband, AeroPex Mini, that uses bone conduction technology to transfer sound directly to the inner ears. It was amazing. Even such a noisy environment, I could hear the music very well. The audio quality was not bad at all. The headband is very light, you won't even notice wearing it. It is super comfortable, and the bone conduction earpieces don't cause discomfort at all. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you learned something new. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.